Was the 2024 Paris Olympics successful? The answer depends on who you ask. For smaller nations like Dominica and St. Lucia, it was a resounding success. Dominica celebrated its first ever Olympic medal, a gold in the women's triple jump won by Thea Lafond, marking a historic achievement for the nation. St. Lucia also had its moment of glory with Julian Alfred winning the 100 meters, the blue ribbon event of the Games, and securing a silver in the 200 meters, making her a national hero. However, for Jamaicans, the 2024 Olympics was viewed as one of the worst in history. Despite high hopes, Jamaican athletes did not perform as expected. Many of the top athletes were injured, and those who competed did not deliver their usual outstanding performances. This led to widespread disappointment, especially in a country where track and field is a source of immense national pride. Some Jamaicans, struggling to make sense of the unexpected underperformance, turned to the idea of Obeah, witchcraft, as a possible explanation. They speculated that supernatural forces might have been at play, hindering the athletes from achieving their best. While this belief might seem unusual to outsiders, it reflects the deep emotional and cultural ties Jamaicans have with their athletes and the intense pressure to succeed on the global stage. In the end, the Paris Olympics was okay. The reality is that Jamaican athletes underperformed, and while it may be tempting to look for other explanations, the truth is that they simply were not at their best.
Tel Aviv to Kingston connection, vibe them overflow, no interception. When we touch the road, you know we bless man, ever bless man. Long time we not no nice time, so we decide to go and to the club tonight. With the queen by my side and the spliff alight, the stress build up inside now seems so light.